In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview Twitter communities on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free. So they have an amazing Twitter tracker, a great wallet tracker, a P&L tracker, an amazing reward system which actually gives you back Solana just for trading. They have a turbo mode which you can enable and then you can get faster fills. They have amazing filters to filtered meme coins. They have great presets, etc. So again, check it out. Link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Now, to actually preview Twitter communities on Axiom, this is now a recent new feature. What you're going to have to do is you want to go to polls over here at the top, and then you can see a bunch of different coins being created, and then some of these coins just below over here where it says how long ago they were created, you can see this icon which is basically like two people next to each other, and if you hover over that, that is the preview of a community. So over here, as you can see, this is a community. It says fees coin, and then it says how many members it has, how many followers, and how many following, of course, of the creator. Now you can just view this community on X. You can click on that and then it's going to open up X, or formerly known as Twitter, and then you'll be able to view that community on X. Now, of course, some coins are going to have this, some coins aren't. Make sure you check it out. So it's going to say how many members it has, etc. So as you can see, a lot of coins actually do have communities over here. Some of them may fail to load, but if they do, of course, you can just go to a next one, and that's going to be pretty much it. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.